Letter U. We are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase u. Remember, when practicing writing, we can use our pointer finger and write in the air. You may gently use your finger to trace and write using your device's screen, or if someone is at home to help you, you can get a piece of paper and a writing utensil and practice that way as well. Here we go. Uppercase U. Uppercase U has one step, but it has three parts. So listen closely. We are first going to draw a straight line down. We're going to begin to curve to the right, and then we're going to do a straight line up. And that is how you write an uppercase U. Again, to review, straight line down starting at the top of our writing area. As we go down and move into the bottom half of our writing space, you're going to start to curve to the right. Continue curving up, and then again, straight line all the way and stopping at the top of our writing space. All right. Let's practice together again. Get your finger ready. Again, we're going to start here. Let me restart that. We're going to start here, straight line down, curving to the right and coming up and stopping. That is our uppercase U. This time it's your turn. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and practice writing the uppercase U now. Okay. If your uppercase U looks like my uppercase U, then you did it correctly. Great job. Now, lowercase u. Lowercase u, we're going to begin about halfway in our writing space. We're going to do the same steps as we did for uppercase u, but then there's one more step at the end where we do a straight line back down to give it this little leg here. So here we go. Watching me, we're going to have a straight line down that curves again to the right and back up, straight line up, then come back down, having a straight line down, stopping at the bottom of our writing space. And that is how we write a lowercase u. All right, practicing again, tracing the lowercase u on our paper. Get your fingers ready, or I should say on our screen. Get your finger ready, and here we go. Ready? Straight line down, curve to the right, come back up, straight line, pause for a second, and do your straight line down, giving it its little leg right there. Great job, everybody. Okay, now it's your turn to do it by yourself, and then I'll come in later so you can check how you did. Ready? Fingers ready? Lowercase u. Go ahead and practice writing the lowercase u now. Okay, if your lowercase u looks like my lowercase u, then you did a fantastic job. All right, here we go. Practicing our uppercase u on the left and our lowercase u on the right. Having your finger ready, let's go ahead and practice writing the uppercase u one more time. Ready? Straight line down, curving around, and straight line up. Great job. Now moving to the right, we have our lowercase u. Straight line down, curving around, coming straight line up, stopping, and our straight line back down to give it a little tail. Okay, one more time, practicing on your own. Get your finger ready, and I would like to see you practice the uppercase U on the left and the lowercase u on the right. But begin now, starting with the uppercase U on the left. Go ahead and practice, and I will check your work in just a second. You may begin. Okay, so again, our uppercase U is a straight line down, taking up most of our writing space, curving to the right and back up and stopping. That is our uppercase U. Fantastic. Now moving over to the right side, we need to practice our lowercase u. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and practice writing your lowercase u now. If your lowercase u looks like my lowercase u, then you did a fantastic job. Great job. That concludes and ends our lesson on how to write the uppercase and lowercase u.